Mabilis lang guys, ganyan lang. Good morning everyone. Today guys is very sunny here in our farm. So anyway guys, this is Wilma. Welcome to my farm. Ganda niya guys. Today video guys is about duck. So let's go in our duck place and I'm gonna show you something. So, andito na ako guys sa aking mga pato. Ito guys ang location ng aking mga pato. Ngayon guys ay may gagawin ako para sa kanila. So, ang video ngayon guys ay aayusin ko ang mga boxes na kanilang paitlogan kasi marami na silang itlog guys. Papakita ko sa inyo ang kanilang mga itlog. So ayan guys ang kanilang mga itlog. Yan. Meron din doon. At dito ay marami. Ayan. Ang dami na nilang itlog guys. Pero ito ay parang pisa na yan. Namimisa. So ang gagawin ko ngayon guys ay lalagyan ko ng ipa ang aking mga boxes. Para alam nyo guys pag may ipa, mainit yung madaling mamisa. So ito ang ipa guys. Ayan. Ito guys. Ayan guys ay ilalagay ko sa mga boxes para doon sila mangitlog and this is good for their egg to make it hot the egg and easy to hatch the egg, madaling mamisa. Ito guys ay ang daming itlog. Ayan. He's hatching. He's hatching. Ayan sila. Oh, dami. Dahil pa dun. Nakuveran dun sa loob guys. He's hatching this one. Nag-uumpisa na naman kasi silang mangitlog guys. Yung mga iba. Tapos yung mga iba ito namimisa na ito. So, arrangein natin. We have to arrange. Ayan. Ayan. May iba na rin yan. At ito may ipa na rin. Ayan, ang dami na nila guys. Ito bakante pa yan, it's a vacant. So if they see there is a rice hole, they will lay egg there. At ito rin. Ayan. Ito, malapit na rin nila itong pisan. This is very close to hatch also this. If somebody stay here, steady, they will hatch it. Diba? It's very nice. At ngayon guys, ay magkakat din ako ng wings ng mga pato kasi alam nyo guys, lumilipad sila. Ito ang alam nyo yung pakpak nila guys, mahaba, lumilipad sila. Mataas guys, they fly very high if they fly. So, mabilis lang guys, ganyan lang. Kanina pa kita hinahabol This is very hard. You see guys, this one is very nice. This is gray. Lumilipad kasi sila guys. Ang taas ng lipad nila. You know, if you cut the wings, they can't fly. Because duck, they fly very high. Ganda ng kulay nito, gray oh. Okay. Oh, hindi na malipad. They can't fly now. There is 3 more but you know guys, I can't do all for one hit because they're scared. Every time I feed, I cut 3, 2 like that. The one I hatch it, and then if I catch them, I cut because they're very hard. In one day, I cut 3, 4 like that. So, that's all for today guys, for my video. Sana nagustuhan nyo. At pag magustuhan nyo guys, please subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.